Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today we're diving into the world of dental care to bring you the top 5 best electric toothbrushes in 2025. If you're looking for the perfect toothbrush to keep your smile bright and healthy, we've got you covered. We've researched and tested the latest models to find the best in cleaning power, features, and value for your money. So, whether you want advanced smart features, a budget-friendly option, or a powerful deep clean, stay tuned, because we've got something for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Let's get started. Number 5 Oral-B IO Series 6 The Oral-B IO Series 6 takes electric toothbrush technology to the next level with its smart pressure sensor, interactive display, and AI-driven brushing feedback. The powerful magnetic IO motor delivers gentle yet effective micro-vibrations, ensuring a deep clean without being too harsh on gums. With 5 smart brushing modes including daily clean, gum care, and whitening, it adapts to different oral care needs effortlessly. Plus, the real-time tracking via the Oral-B app helps improve brushing habits by guiding you to cover every area thoroughly. After testing, I'm giving the Oral-B IO Series 6 a perfect 5 out of 5 for its premium features, sleek design, and superior cleaning performance. The built-in pressure sensor prevents overbrushing, while the interactive display adds a fun, modern touch to daily oral care. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their brushing routine with smart technology. If you want a dentist-level clean at home, this toothbrush is worth every penny. Number 4 Surrey Sustainable Sonic The Surrey Sustainable Sonic toothbrush is a game-changer for eco-conscious oral care, combining powerful sonic cleaning with a sleek, sustainable design. Unlike traditional electric toothbrushes, Surrey is built with a fully reparable aluminum handle and biodegradable plant-based brush heads, making it a standout choice for reducing plastic waste. With 33,000 sonic vibrations per minute, it delivers a deep yet gentle clean, effectively removing plaque while being safe for sensitive gums. Plus, the magnetic charger and UV cleaning travel case add a layer of convenience and hygiene that most competitors lack. After testing, I'm giving the Surrey Sustainable Sonic a well-deserved 5 out of 5 for its eco-friendly innovation, excellent performance, and premium aesthetics. The battery life is impressive, lasting over a month on a single charge, and the minimalist design feels both modern and luxurious. If you're looking for a high-quality sonic toothbrush that prioritizes sustainability without sacrificing performance, this is an easy recommendation. Surrey proves that great oral care and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. Number 3 Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige The Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige redefines oral care with its cutting-edge SenseIQ technology, adapting in real time to your brushing style for a truly personalized clean. With 62,000 brush movements per minute, it delivers an ultra-deep clean while remaining incredibly gentle on gums. The all-in-one premium brush head tackles plaque, stains, and gum health simultaneously, eliminating the need for multiple brush types. Plus, the sleek, modern design and luxurious travel case with USB charging make it a perfect blend of style and convenience. After hands-on testing, I'm confidently rating the Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige a 5 out of 5 for its superior cleaning performance, smart features, and premium user experience. The AI-powered app integration gives real-time feedback to help refine your technique, ensuring a professional-level clean every time. If you're looking for the ultimate high-tech toothbrush that delivers both innovation and effectiveness, this is hands down the best choice on the market. Your oral care routine will never be the same. Number 2 Oclean X Ultra S The Oclean X Ultra S is a next-level smart toothbrush that combines cutting-edge technology with an ultra-sleek design. Featuring a full-color touchscreen, it provides real-time brushing feedback, helping you optimize your routine for better oral health. With 84,000 movements per minute, its sonic motor delivers powerful yet gentle cleaning, effectively removing plaque while being kind to your gums. Plus, the AI-powered brushing analysis and personalized coaching make it more than just a toothbrush. It's like having a dentist-approved guide every time you brush. After testing it thoroughly, I'm giving the Oclean X Ultra S a solid 5 out of 5 for its innovation, performance, and user-friendly experience. The customizable modes, smart pressure sensor, and long battery life set it apart from standard electric toothbrushes, making it perfect for those who take their dental care seriously. If you're looking for a high-tech, luxury brushing experience that actually improves your habits, this is hands down one of the best options out there. Number 1 Oral-B IO 7 The Oral-B IO 7 is a game-changer in electric toothbrush technology, blending powerful cleaning performance with smart features for an unmatched brushing experience. With its magnetic IO drive system, The brush delivers micro vibrations and gentle yet effective oscillations that leave your teeth feeling professionally cleaned. The interactive display adds a high-tech touch, guiding you through brushing modes, reminders, and even a smiley face when you're done. Plus, the real-time AI tracking ensures you never miss a spot, making every brushing session more effective. After putting it to the test, I'm giving the Oral-B io7 a well-deserved 5 out of 5 for its advanced technology, sleek design, and exceptional cleaning power. The 7 smart modes cater to different needs, whether you want a deep clean, gum care, or a gentle touch for sensitive teeth. While it's a premium-priced toothbrush, the performance, smart features, and overall oral health benefits make it absolutely worth it. If you're looking to upgrade your dental care routine, this is the brush to get. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.